can't build an entire application. I could have put on my application. Would have been among the five they negotiate that manifesto. Because Gmati Moren Diabichi should look into Angomwadwarosan, Managa manifesto work. Manifesto Mar Party and problem of the people put in by experts Martin. So we get a problem Magdo Turua. Problem Masa Newango. Mainly, and we want money, more money in devolution. Maya Gimarala no talk, Kawacho, ni 15% certain. So negotiate to one negotiate, to make sure ni kata kaunya locho pukara na 30% devolution, no devolve units or your pesa. Number 2, negotiate ni a manifesto chande. One kata gumulongo ni zero rate corruption because corruption jamu pesa mangain kabisa in this country. Number 3. Watch my youth unemployment. Watch my course of teaching, Magjo Matindo. And Gunego bed, Masaga Bedoka, watch pele kai. This should be declared a national disaster. Corona go bed, no better manifesto chande. So number 4, my most important, Mawagni Yoka Besa. You watch Maru Mumi was a Portugal, William Ruto. And give me Lungoni equal distribution of resources. To kataka poni watch magashagu watch mag shares. To watch to buru bedoka watch. Daktari Buru has always said no kwadwar magjo moko. Wadwaro our equal share.
Matani machelo bende beda gimare to marwani bende
equal share but things amido timo equal share. Nyakingi bende wanne wakelo grumbi ngo equalization fund e katiba ni. En kuonde mapokno yudo kuom ndalo mang'eny. Emomiyo wadoke kamangi isini. When we take government, be it broad-based or any other which way, gumo kwanyal negotiate go. Mawaido kakendo is very important. Kamasa matandi ni tiere chande. The budget committee, because kanyam waido no karakata. Emipo go mwando magpeni. The budget committee is more important to us than any other position. Whatever they negotiated a grand coalition chand, never you departments, not quite you chung sirkal. But no kwangayo ni kara budget committee ni any committee very important in resource distribution. Kena produki ni what is politics? I just define nigago pele. Politics and okay songo who gets what, when, and how. Ngano mayodango sadi nade. Obro pogo ni sirkal ka sirkal njopo. Toku jenzi. Sirkal no po karibu jangwen. Raila Odinga, Gachagua, Uhuru Kenyatta, William Ruto. Manager kumalo pogo sirkal. Toku jenzi chande. Ne wan kodo gumicho sirkal there was a transition. Bakero jido dugo pogo sirkal. Raila Odinga, Gachagua, William Ruto, kodo Uhuru Kenyatta. That is how Jokumanega Shagwa ne ondiko sirkal manokelo nyinge maniketo CSS. Jiangwen. They are still there. What did you plus 15 parastatals. They're still working. Uhuru Kenyatta bende kaneno giwoyo Ichaweri is the president. Bagi wijelo kelu jadek. Milungo ni Kinyanjui, Mutai Kagwe, kodanga milungo ni Kabogo, former governor Makiambu. So he got 3. Raila Molo Odinga been know the 5. Wandai, Mbadi, Oparanya, Namilungo ni a school matrokana chande, Kodas and Joho. And Raila Odinga Corona and Kodu Jimangeng. So he ended up with Kenya Mzim. And that is why people do an ODM code numbers. ODM pod negi numbers. Because any alternative will replace ODM. For example, Kara Turua antine party mabende kurucha kubiro milungo ni MDG. But it has numbers in Busia and the borders Magugenya. But within Sia County, the most popular party, Mamagin scientific research, it remains the ODM. ODM bende juthuru ongeyo, kundi juthuru akia. Juthuru ongeyo ni maya liberation movement, manoke lulugikati bampia, osete mulugik mangayin, kata bedo nisa nikoro enige problems modi and agogi. To be problems gi, why you do kanye? Why you do because Newalalo, our party leader, who was a very powerful party leader. Koro eni imake makato samogo kodini. ODM still remain the pillar mar sirkal. Nika uono ka ODM amuano wok sirkal. Long sirkal gore pay. Koro enemo hold sirkal in place. Enemo hold the balance. Gumadungo ni broad based ni no kele ok ni kata ni mondo kel lokruok maduong' ahinya. Nokele mondo hold the balance. Ni gini ne dhi gore piny. To kane wagore piny, to ne wadhi chopo kure gi sirkal mogore piny. Mane Marala nopenjo ni afadhali wabed gi sirkal marach moloyo ni waonge sirkal. That's what Raila said. To nego bed gik wang'iyo what was Raila standing for. The moment I discover ni ng'eny mane ne our part of this didn't even know our struggles. And kama wuok here, for example, na wuok Siaya. Siaya statistics wacho ni out of 1,000 births in a year, mine 1,000 manyuol kila mwaka, nyithindo 300